Good day everyone! This is another tutorial. For today, it's a Christmas song titled Wake Up by Matt Wertz. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think I slept a single wink last night, dreaming even though I was awake. I have reindeer on the roof and the sound of you-know-who pulling presents down from on his sleigh. It's time to get out down the steps and sneak a peek. I've been waiting for this day all year. There's every stocking stuff, there's only cookie crumbs, and ain't no doubt about it, it's been here. Oh, 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 wake up, you know that it's Christmas morning. Come on and jump on out of bed. Wake up, you know that it's Christmas morning. Get up, you sleepy head. Ooh, 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 ooh. Dad went ahead and got your camera out. Mama, don't you worry about your head, 'cause I can take it anymore. We've all been waiting for. There's a pile of presents waiting just downstairs. So wake up, you know that it's Christmas morning. Come on and jump out the bed. Wake up, you know that it's Christmas morning. Get up, you sleepy head. And the light outside the window is a moon, but you don't know how that we can feel afternoon. Wake up, you know that it's Christmas morning. Come on and jump on out of bed. Wake up, you know that it's Christmas morning. Get up, you sleepy head. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now, we start with the verse. The verse has 7 chords. C major 7, X 3 5 4 5 3, F major 7, 1X 2 2 1X, G minor 3 5 5 3 3 3, C7 or C dominant 7, X 3 5 3 5 3, E minor, which is X 7 9 9 8 7, and then you just slide it 2 frets down, D minor, which is X 5 7 7 6 5, and then it goes back to the F slash G, or G as the bass. And there are 4 counts: 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2. C major 7, F major 7, C7, F major 7, E minor, D minor. I don't think I slept. F major 7, C major 7, I was awake. F major 7, G minor 7, the room, the sound of you-know-who. D minor 7, D minor, so is the F with G slash D. Again, F major 7, C major 7. I heard reindeer on the roof, C7. Sound of you know who. Delivering presents down from all his day. So those are the 7 chords. Now moving to the chorus, there are 6 chords. F major 7, 1X 221X, C major 7, X 35453, and then it goes to an F sharp minor, F minor, E minor, and then it goes to the F with G as its bass. Wake up, F major 7. It's Chris, C major 7. Morning, F major 7. On out of bed, C major 7. F major. Go wake up, you know that it's Christmas morning. Get up, you sleepy head. C major 7. Ooh, F major 7. Ooh. Ooh. Now the second verse, it's the same chords, the same 7 chords as the first verse, and then the chorus, it just repeats from what I just told you, and then it goes to the bridge. The bridge has 3 chords: A flat major 7, which is a 6X 776X. E flat major 7, which is X 68786. And then it goes back to the A flat major 7, which is the 6X 77X 776X, and then it closes with an F slash G, which is a 303211. Right the window is the moon, E flat major 7. But you don't know that I can sleep all afternoon, F slash 7. A flat major 7, E flat major 7, A flat major 7, F slash 7. Then it goes back to the chorus. Wake up, C major 7. Jump out of bed, C major 7. Wake up, but it's Christmas morning. Wake up, Disney. C major 7, and it just fades. F major 7. I will post the chords and the finger positioning at the bottom of this video, so you can practice and learn this Christmas song, which I really love. Bye bye.